guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you guys so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning member of my society, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I haven't done my eyebrows since quarantine has started. As you can see, I've been letting them grow out, getting really thick and really bushy, but today I'm deciding to clean up the caterpillars. Normally, to do my eyebrows, I just use tweezers and an eyebrow razor, but today I want to use a new tool. This is the Flawless Brow Razor by Finishing Touch. I've heard a lot of great things about this. So sleek, so discreet, you would never guess that this is an eyebrow razor, but it is. I have yet to use it. Literally, that was my first time ever even opening this up. So I will be trying this tool for the first time on camera to see how well it works for my eyebrows. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Before we get started, make sure that you smash that like button. And while you're over in the right-hand corner of your computer screen anyway doing that, you might as well just click the subscribe button because you know it's right there. Just a little bit about the product off first rip is that it is shaped like a pen kind of, so it's very discreet, very cute. It comes in this rose gold color, so it makes it look very elite. It has this tip, like a circular flat tip. Maybe you could see it. It has this focus on me. So it has this circular flat tip at the top. It's like a razor. It doesn't look sharp, so it looks like it'll be painless. It's small enough so it looks like it's very easy to travel with. It can fit in almost anywhere. Seems very efficient in that way. So 5 stars on that. This is only $20. Not a bad purchase. And you have to just slide this gold bar on the side up and nice, it makes a sound. I notice when I turn it on, there's a light that comes on the side. So this light must be used to make sure that we can definitely see where we're going when we're doing our eyebrows. So guys, here we go. Let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Lord, let me have a steady hand. All right, so I'm just gonna take a spoolie. I just want to leave it at this, guys, but this is what it looks like after using Flawless Brows. I'm just gonna go clean up my eyebrows real quick with tweezers just to get the straggly hairs, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I fixed my eyebrows myself. Just tweezed them up just to clean them up a little bit, but this is the final product. So that's it, guys. I just finished my eyebrows. I used the Flawless Brows razor along with tweezers just to kind of get the hairs that this did not get. I really did like this razor. It was really simple to use. It did not hurt. It was very light, super painless. It did not irritate my skin, even though I know it looks a little red. That was just from the tweezers, but this did not irritate my skin at all. Super gentle. It was the softest thing, and it makes my skin at the top and bottom of my eyebrows just feel super clean, very soft, kind of feels like I got a wax. That's how smooth it is. It feels so good. 5 out of 5 stars. A really great product, really easy. Has a rechargeable battery. It comes with a charger, so you can easily just charge it and carry it with you everywhere you go. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have tried the Flawless Brows razor, or just in general, tell me your eyebrow routine. Let's chat. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.